Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Real Life Diaries, and my name is Shama if you guys don't know already, and I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. In today's video I'm going to share with you all this look which is looking super classy, super gorgeous, super glossy. For me, I don't know how you are feeling, but if you are feeling the same, do let me in the comment section. This video gonna be a bit different from the usual makeup videos, because in this video I'm going to share with you all few tips along with this makeup, which if you will follow while doing the makeup, your makeup will look more natural, more glossy. Especially this is for winters, because already in UK this is winter season going on, and in other countries it's just about to hit. So first of all, welcome winters, happy winters to all of you. And in winters usually, you know, our skin tend to get more dry, no matter your skin is dry or sensitive or normal, but no matter which skin you have, but it tend more dry than the usual one. So my skin is dry, but in winters it react as a super duper dry skin. So for me, if I follow the usual step which I follow in any other season, my skin looks like cakey, patchy, and my foundation doesn't look nice. And when I do a lot of layering on my face, it looks like, you know, fake skin that you have applied any mask on your face. So for ignoring that, I follow few steps which I'm going to share with you all, and it works really well on my skin. As you can see, it is looking more natural, more seamless, and it's not looking like, you know, you have applied so many layers or so many, you know, products on your face. So it's very easy, but few things, yeah, you have to keep in mind. So I hope that you will like this video, and you will understand what I'm trying to convey to you guys. So yeah, directly let's jump to the video, and please like, share, and subscribe if you like. Alright, so before going forward to the video, just a quick update. This dress I'm wearing is from Redarton, and I got it from Amazon. If in case you guys are interested to check, this is a cute looking, you know, winter jumper. If you want to check, I will put the link in the description box so that you guys can have a look. It's not the sponsored video, but yes, I just love this stuff. So, and the best part, they do delivery across the world, so in any Amazon website you can have a look. I personally loved it, so just thought to share with you all. Now let's jump to the video. Alright, so very first thing, always keep in mind that you have to moisturize your face very well. And by saying moisturize, not only moisturizer, yes, but a proper skincare. So I have washed my face nicely, thoroughly. Then I applied toner and skincare, then serum, and then the moisturizer, and just let it sit on your skin for approx 20 to 25 minutes, so that your moisturizer and when you will apply foundation, they will not mix together, and they will not look like, you know, you have applied lots of layer. Moisturizer will absorb in your skin, and when you will apply the foundation, it will work as separately and will look like natural skin. So yeah, I have already prepped my skin, like moisturized my skin very well, but still, as it is winter, so my skin is already dry. I don't want to make my skin more dry. So what I will do, I will apply a few drops of oil, facial oil. It will give me that glow within glow, and it will help when I will apply foundation. Okay, so for oil I'm using this drops of crystals. In my previous video I have already shown you. It's a Manuka Doctor, and it's like a honey oil. Okay, so manuka honey, actually it's manuka honey oil. So yeah, I'll just shake it well and take 2 to 3 drops on my palm. You can see, we'll rub it in between my palm so that it will be a bit warm, and then just pat it on my face. Okay, so after applying oil, like my skin is all prepped now, ready for foundation, like for any other makeup product. So first what we apply is primer. Now when you have oily skin, you apply silicone based primer, and when you have a normal basic dry skin, you apply, you know, some moisturized primer. But in winters, no matter your skin is oily or dry side, just apply some oil based primer. So today I'm using this Nib and Fab, and it's rose gold essence, and it comes as a dropper like this. So I will take few drops, like 5 or 6 drops here, and will apply it all over the face. it will not make your face, you know, dry, and later on when you will apply a lot of makeup layers, it will look natural. So yeah. All right, so it's been 2 minutes now. Let's move on to next step. So usually what we do is either we color correct our skin and then apply foundation, or directly, if you do not have any pigmentation problem, you directly jump onto the foundation. So what I do, especially in winters, before applying the foundation, like usually you apply a concealer after the foundation, but when you want full coverage, you apply sometimes before and after both. But in winter especially, what I do is I apply concealer underneath my foundation, so that it will not look that you have applied lots of layer, and it will not be patchy at all. So I'm using this Makeup Revolution concealer here. It's a full coverage concealer, yet it's so smooth on the skin, so it will not make your skin cakey. So what I'm doing, I'm just applying it where I have pigmentation and, you know, dark circle problem, like as you can see here, and it will cover all. We'll blend it with finger first, so that it will pack on my skin nicely. Then I'll use beauty blender. Taking a clean beauty blender, and what I'm doing here is I'm taking few drops of oil, so that if in case my concealer is going to dry, it will cover it up. So I'm taking a few drops of here and just bouncing it. Okay, so after concealing my face, I'll move on to the foundation. And for foundation in winter especially, do not go for matte finish or for full coverage foundation. Always go for medium to full coverage foundation, and foundation which have liquid consistency. It goes so well on your skin, it smooth nicely, and it doesn't make your face cakey or patchy. So for today I'm using this Maybelline Dream Satin liquid foundation, and this is so smooth and glides so well on your skin. So I will take two and a half pump of foundation, as you can see. And yes, one tip here, always go for a shade darker to your skin when it comes to foundation, because when you're applying a bit light foundation, it looks, you know, fake, that yeah, you have applied some layer on your skin and it doesn't look nice. And after a few hours you will see that your face is going on your ashy side. So yeah, always go for a one shade darker. When you will apply all loose powders and everything, it will cover it up. So okay, so I have applied my foundation. Next, what I'm going to do is, like, I will take again two drops of, not much, just a two drop of on this, and will bounce it all over the skin, so that my skin will look, you know, glowy. Alright, so now my base is done, almost done. I am not going to apply concealer again, but if you have more pigmentation problem, or if you want, you know, high coverage, you can go ahead. But I'm just making a basic makeup tutorial today, so I'm not applying any concealer now. I'll set my face. So as I want that glowy look, I don't want that matte finish, so I will not apply any pressed powder or any powder all over my face. What I will do, I just apply where, you know, your concealer or your foundation tend to crease easily, like, you know, your eyes, it open and close so quick, and your mouth area, because you talk a lot, and this area. So I'll conceal that, and for that I'm using this Technique Super Focus Soft Focus Translucent Powder. And what I'll do, I'll show you here. I'll just take this much of amount, and will just set my area whichever I've told, and will apply a bit of my eyelid. That's it. I'm not applying powder because all over my face, because my face is a bit chubby, so obviously I'll use some bronzing powder again. So if I'll do lots of layer on the top, so it will not look nice. So yeah, I just set it my under eye and around the mouth area. Next I will just contour my face quickly, contour, bronzer, whatever you want to say. So I'm not doing a lot of layers again. I'm just using this bronzer shade, and we'll take a little bit. I'll take both because I like dark contour. So yeah, you see. Okay, so this contour shade, uh, most of the people get confused whether we have to go this side or like this or like this. It depends what features you have. Like my jawline, it cuts in this direction, that's why I always apply in this. But if your jawline is cutting in the straight line, apply contour in that. My this area is sharp in this direction, but when I apply contour like straight, it will look so fake, will not look nice. So that's why I'm doing in this direction only. And a little bit on the temple of my head, so that it will look all one. And a bit here, just a clean brush, like no product is on the brush left. So here, so I'll take the same sponge where I have oil, and I will blend it nicely. Can you see it's looking more natural? But yes, it's just giving me that sharpness on my face, but at the same time there is no extra product on my face, so it's looking more natural. Alright, next move on to blush. So for blush I'm using this L'Oreal, and it has some chunky particles in, so it will give that glow to my face. Use every time. Like try to ignore matte finish things, whether your powder or blush, whatever. Use always, which has little bit of shimmery particles. It gives that glowy effect to your skin. So, and in winters basically your cheeks, your nose tend to get pink, so for that because I don't have pink nose, pink cheeks, so yeah, to achieve that I'm using a bit of, I'm just dragging it onto my nose so that it will look all one. You can see. Alright, so next move on to highlighter part. So for highlighter, again I'm using something which is so glowy and the same time doesn't look fake at all. So for that I'm using this Master Stroke highlighter from Revolution, Makeup Revolution, and join this line to this line so that it will look all natural. Alright, so next I'll go for eyebrows using this NYX micro pencil, and as it's like this stick, it doesn't look unnatural at all. So yeah, I'm doing my eyebrows now. Okay, so my eyebrows are done, and can see the difference. Like though my eyebrows are already thick, but they are not that flaky. But still, if I apply some eyebrow pencil, it looks more thick than the usual one. But yeah, give a huge difference to your face structure. So yeah, now move on to eyeshadow. I'm not doing any typical eye look, just a basic one, and there is no tip for eyeshadow because it just on you no matter which season is going on. So but yeah, for today I'm using this Carter Beauty, one of my favorite palette, and I'll do a very simple look. So first I will take one this shade Lux right here and apply it as my transition shade. Okay, so next I'll take shade right here, this Indulge, and we'll take a teeny weeny amount and focus on crease. blend it with this. We'll take the same color and apply. Okay, next I'm taking this golden shade here. You can see, applying it my lid. It's a very pretty shade and goes good with almost every outfit. Can you see the difference in my eye? We'll blend everything well. Yeah, I'm not applying any eyeliner today, just a mascara. So for mascara I'm using, which one? I'm using, this is the MAC one. And alright, next I'll curl my lashes. It gives, you can see the huge difference when first you apply mascara and then curl your lashes, because when your lashes are wet it curls so well. Yeah, so for my waterline I'm not using any black kajal, but yeah, just a golden pencil, and my eyes will look more open. Can you see the difference? Okay, so now everything is done almost. Now I'm applying lip shade because my eyes are so light neutral, so I'm applying a bold shade. Usually I go for bold color only. So first I'll contour my lips, and for that I'm using my all-time favorite Flormer, and will draw my lips. Alright, so I contoured my lips. It's already looking nice, but yeah, I haven't applied all over my lips because I'm going to apply lip shade, which is from Chanel and the shade 152. It's newly launched, it's just about to launch, so I got a sample to try it how it is, and first time I'm going to apply. It's very nice red pinkish color, and so my lips are done. Last step is just to set your powder face. So for setting your face, always go for the dewy finish one, not the matte one. So I'm using the NYX yeah, long lasting spray, and it's so good. It will make my face dewy. It's already dewy, it's already glowing a lot, but still. So yeah, I'll just take a quick shower. And yes, last but not least, I know most of you already know what I'm going to do, but still, this is totally optional. But if you like, just like me, you can do on the top of your spray, just apply some highlighter. And I forgot to highlight my brow bone, which I'm doing now. And just here, just here, just here and here, look more glowy. And then again I'll just bounce everything with this, but with very light hand. Yes guys, so this is the finished look. Do let me in the comment section how it is looking. I try to share with you all whatever tips I usually follow while doing my makeup, especially in winters. So this is particularly for winter, so happy winter to all of you, and follow this step to get your makeup in a more natural side, and it will look, yeah, look like your skin like, and will not look cakey. As you can see, I'm just in my natural light. I do not use any fancy light or any soft box. You can see no cakey patches, nothing. And for me it's like a plus plus. How you feel, do let me in the comment section, and if you like it, please hit the like button and share this video with your family, friends. If you have any other request, as winters are here, they're just about to reach, so if you have anything in your mind which you want me to make a video on, do let me in the comment section, and I will see you all in my coming videos. Till then, bye bye, take care, stay happy.